16, receiving combat protocol. Strike fighter ready. Half ahead. Ghost 31, mission complete. Squadron 22 in launch position. All ahead. Turn left. 30 degrees. I'm in. Activating catapult. Turn left. 30 degrees. I am empty. Going back to base for rearmament. Ahead, 25 knots. Right full rudder. All engines, full stop. Target enemy warship. Fire on ready. Prepare for launch, missile ready. Squadron 22 in launch position. Fighters are fueled and ready. Hull breached. We are flooding fast. Engage damage control parties. I'm hit. Damn, they're falling down. All engines, full stop. Half ahead. Activate passive jamming and launch the flare. I'm hit. Falling down. Jamming system green. Heat decoys are ready. Turn left. 30 degrees. Squadron 22 in launch position. Fighters are in the air. Your orders, command. Strike fighter ready. I'm in. Activating catapult. Squadron low on fuel. Heading back. Course 130. We're flooding quickly. Hull breached. We are flooding fast. Engage damage control parties. We are flooding below waterline. Squadron 37, ready for launch. Missile away, 10 seconds to impact. Heading 340, half ahead. I'm in, activating catapult. Hull breached, we are flooding fast. Engage damage control parties. Radar found a missile heading towards us. Port side turn. Fire more. Jamming system green. Heat decoys are ready.
Hull breach. We're taking on water quickly.